Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating piece of Australian numismatic history, the 2010 Australia 10-cent coin, a rare find that has captured the hearts of collectors. If you are someone who loves coins with history, unique details, and investment potential, this video is definitely for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore everything about this remarkable coin. The 2010 Australian 10-cent coin is a shining example of the country's rich coinage tradition. Released as part of Australia's standard decimal currency series, this coin represents more than just money, it's a piece of history. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, the reverse features the iconic lyre bird, symbolizing beauty and grace in Australia's natural world, while the obverse proudly displays Queen Elizabeth II, a timeless representation of continuity and heritage. What makes the 2010 issue particularly special is its rarity in very fine condition. Unlike coins that have been in general circulation, coins preserved in such exceptional condition show minimal wear, retain their original luster, and exhibit sharp, crisp details that truly make them stand out in any collection. For collectors, owning a 2010 Australian 10-cent coin in very fine condition is like holding a small treasure from the past, perfectly preserved for the future. The 2010 Australian 10-cent coin is made from cupro-nickel, a durable alloy that combines copper and nickel. This composition not only ensures the coin's longevity, but also gives it a distinct silvery shine that catches the eye. Its standard round shape, with smooth edges and perfectly balanced weight, makes it both aesthetically pleasing and easy to handle. These characteristics contribute to why this coin is highly regarded by collectors who value quality, craftsmanship, and historical significance. Over the years, collector interest in the 2010 Australian 10-cent coin has steadily increased. What drives this demand is not just the coin's age or metal composition, but also its rarity in very fine condition. Enthusiasts around this world are constantly on the lookout for coins that are in superior condition, and the 2010 issue fits that description perfectly. Its appeal is universal, attracting both casual hobbyists and serious investors, which has helped maintain its value and desirability in the numismatic market. Speaking of value, the 2010 Australian 10-cent coin in very fine condition has a market value that reflects both its rarity and demand. Depending on the seller, provenance, and the specific condition, these coins can sell for a notable premium above their for collectors and investors. This coin represents an opportunity to own a piece of history while potentially benefiting from its growing market appreciation. Today, you can expect to see prices range from a few $1.40, $0 above, for average collector's coins to a significantly higher amount for coins in pristine certified condition. If you are considering adding a 2010 Australian 10-cent coin to your collection, it's important to handle it with care. Always store your coins in a protective case to prevent scratches or damage, and avoid touching the surfaces with bare hands, as oils can affect the coin's finish. Researching trusted sellers and reputable auctions can also ensure that you acquire an authentic coin, and checking grading guides can help you identify coins that are genuinely in very fine or better condition. For those who are serious about numismatics, building a collection with quality pieces like this can be both a joy and a smart investment over time. The 2010 Australian 10-cent coin is more than just a piece of currency. It is a blend of history, art, and enduring value. Its rarity, beauty, and collector appeal make it a must-have for anyone passionate about coins. Whether you are just beginning your numismatic journey or are a seasoned collector, adding a coin like this to your collection can be an exciting and rewarding experience. So, keep an eye out for these treasures, and remember that every coin tells a story, and this one is waiting to become a part of yours. Thank you for joining me today, and if you enjoyed learning about this fascinating coin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting coin stories and collector tips. Happy collecting, and may your coin adventures always shine bright. Next up, today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of Australian numismatic history's the 2006 Australian 10-cent coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin has a story and value that is truly worth exploring. The 2006 Australian 10-cent coin comes from a long line of Australian decimal coins that have been a part of daily life since 966. This particular year is special because coins minted in 2006 are less commonly found in uncirculated or fine condition, making them intriguing to collectors. If you happen to have one in your collection, especially in a fine state with minimal wear, you are holding a small piece of history that reflects both the artistry and the economy of Australia at that time. In terms of design and composition, this coin carries the classic features that make the 10-cent piece instantly recognizable. It is made primarily from cupronickel, which gives it durability while maintaining a beautiful metallic sheen. The coin's round shape and perfectly struck details, including the famous image of a lyrebird on the reverse side, make it an elegant piece to admire and to showcase in a collection. Over the years, its design has remained iconic, and 2006 coins carry that legacy with precision and charm. Collectors today are increasingly interested in coins like the 2006 Australian 10-cent piece. This interest is driven not just by rarity, but by the quality of preservation. A coin that has maintained its fine condition over nearly 2 decades is highly sought after because it offers a glimpse into Australia's minting craftsmanship from that era. Even casual collectors are drawn to it, knowing that it's a piece that will both hold sentimental value and appreciate over time. Speaking of appreciation, let's talk about the current market value. Depending on its condition, a 2006 Australian 10-cent coin in fine shape can range from a few $175,000 to much higher for coins with exceptional preservation. Coins that show very little wear and have retained their original luster are particularly prized. The market for such coins is active, with collectors and enthusiasts alike willing to pay a premium for pieces that have been well cared for. This makes it not only a fascinating collectible, but also a smart investment for anyone looking to build a coin portfolio. For collectors, there are a few tips to keep in mind when handling or acquiring a coin like this. Always store your coins in a cool, dry place to prevent tarnishing or damage. Avoid cleaning them aggressively, as this can reduce their value significantly. Consider using coin holders or protective sleeves to maintain their condition. And when looking to buy or sell, consult with trusted dealers or auction platforms to ensure you're getting accurate market pricing. Following these practices will help preserve both the beauty and the value of your 2006 Australian 10-cent coin for years to come. In conclusion, the 2006 Australian 10-cent coin is more than just currency. It's a collectible that tells a story. Its design, composition, and historical significance make it a cherished item for collectors. Its rarity in fine condition, coupled with growing collector demand, ensures that it will continue to be a valuable addition to any collection. Whether you're admiring it for its artistic detail, its historical context, or its potential market value, this coin is a shining example of why coin collecting is such a rewarding hobby. So, if you have a 2006 Australian 10-cent coin in fine condition, treasure it and consider adding it to a collection where it can be appreciated and preserved. And if you're just starting your journey into numismatics, this coin is a perfect reminder of how everyday items can become extraordinary treasures over time. Next up, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting, focusing on a very special piece, the 2002 Australian 10-cent coin in very fine condition. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey into numismatics, this coin is truly worth knowing about. Let's start with a little history. The Australian 10-cent coin has long been a staple in the nation's currency, first introduced in 1966 with the decimalisation of money in Australia. By 2002, the coin had become not only a practical part of everyday transactions, but also an item of interest for collectors. What makes the 2002 edition particularly captivating is its unique minting characteristics and the fact that fewer of these coins have survived in very fine condition, making them increasingly sought after in the collector's market. Looking closely at the coin itself, it features the iconic design of the Australian lyrebird on the reverse side, an image that has become synonymous with the 10-cent denomination. The coin's obverse showcases the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, capturing her timeless elegance. The term very fine condition refers to coins that show only slight signs of wear, preserving most of their intricate details and sharpness. Collectors often admire this balance between historical authenticity and visual appeal, as it allows them to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship of the mint. The 2002 Australian 10-cent coin is made from cupronickel, a durable alloy composed of copper and nickel. This composition not only gives the coin a bright, silver-like appearance, but also ensures that it withstands years of circulation while retaining its luster. Its precise round shape and smooth edge are hallmarks of high-quality minting, which contribute to its appeal among collectors. Collector demand for this particular coin has been steadily increasing. Enthusiasts are drawn to its historical significance, its rarity in higher grades, and its elegant design. Many collectors actively seek out coins like this to complete their decimal coin collections, or to invest in pieces that are likely to appreciate over time. The joy of owning a coin that has both history and scarcity cannot be overstated. It's like holding a tiny piece of Australia's heritage in the palm of your hand. So, what is the current market value of a 2002 Australian 10-cent coin in very fine condition? While prices can fluctuate depending on the coin's exact condition and demand, collectors today can expect it to be valued in the range of approximately $30,000 to $2,048 $0 USD. Coins that are exceptionally well preserved or graded by professional services may fetch slightly higher prices. This makes it not only a collectible item, but also a small tangible investment for the future. If you're considering adding this coin to your collection, there are a few tips worth keeping in mind. Always handle coins carefully by their edges to avoid fingerprints or scratches. Store them in protective holders or albums to maintain their condition over time. Regularly check auction sites or local coin dealers, as you may come across rare finds at reasonable prices. And most importantly, enjoy the journey of collecting. Every coin tells a story, and every addition to your collection is a step closer to owning a piece of history. In conclusion, the 2002 Australian 10-cent coin in very fine condition is more than just currency. It's a beautiful piece of numismatic history. Its elegant design, durable composition, and growing collector demand make it a coin worth appreciating. Whether you're a hobbyist or an investor, this coin offers both aesthetic pleasure and the potential for future value. Remember, collecting coins is about passion, patience, and the joy of connecting with history one coin at a time. Thank you for joining me today to explore this remarkable piece of Australian heritage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our numismatic adventures. Until next time, happy collecting!